Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to import an album to the music application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the desktop application, music, as well as an album we will be importing into the application. We can now start the tutorial. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Apple Music, click on this, wait for that to load. We can add music to the library. We can also stream music, which is the new thing in today's day and age. However, we want to take it back in time, bring back the physical copies, whether it's a CD, a downloaded album. Let's now go to File, go to Import, and then go to Music. Find the album we are looking to import into Apple Music. Thriller. Let's now click on Open. Let's highlight the full album of 9 songs. Click on Open. And this should have now imported into Apple Music. If I were to, let's just say, click on the album, this takes us to the track listing on screen. If I wanted to highlight a song, click on a song and drag and drop that to the desktop, I could also do that. Get rid of that. We still have the song in the album on the machine, regardless of moving to the desktop and then deleting that physical copy. And here we have the full album on screen. Let's now go to the dock, go to music, go to media, music 1, Michael Jackson, Thriller, which was imported to Apple Music. And I just want to make this very, very clear. This is not a streamable album. This is a physical copy, a digital download that was purchased by myself from the iTunes store a couple of years ago. So we still have access to that media. Even if we lose internet connectivity, we still have access to this full album, which can be enjoyed on all platforms, depending on the synchronization status. If you have synchronized to all devices, can be enjoyed. So we can now quit music. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.